Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and yes, I am talking over myself right now because during the editing process, I realized the wind on the deck was just incredibly strong and you couldn't even understand a word I was saying. So here I am editing the video, talking over myself, kind of like watching an old Godzilla movie. In any event, today we're on the Norwegian Gem. We're going to check out the Mr. Sexy Legs contest, something pretty much every NCL cruise does. And they also did a Ms. Sexy Biceps contest. That video is available here on the New York channel. And we also did a Mr. Sexy Legs contest on the Norwegian Getaway. But now we're on the Gem, we're going to check it out. It's always a lot of fun. The rules are simple. Just get drunk, dance badly in front of a large crowd, and then eventually, hopefully, you'll win a really cheap prize. But the most important rule of all is to have fun, and everyone did today. So let's get going, head on over to the pool, and check out the Mr. Sexy Legs contest. Shall we? I don't have the Mrs. See what I mean? Sexy.
Competition is not complete without the judges. We invited three lovely ladies, lucky ladies, to be in the competition. They are the one who will be picking the top three for Mr. Sexy Legs. Face to our audience, wave it, wave. There we go. What is your name? Deborah from New York! Thank you so much, Deborah. Now next, judge number 2, please show your lovely face to our audience. Wave. There we go. What is your name? Marilyn from New York! Thank you so much, Marilyn from New York. Judge number 3, what is your name? Camille from Puerto Rico! Puerto Rico. Yay! Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, again, this is how it goes. Alright? Our three lovely ladies, you're the one who will be choosing the top 3.
Alrighty, now pay attention. You have to pick a winner and leave it in the comments below at the end of the video. By the way, I'm playing music over their music, so I don't have any copyright issues. This whole video is an audio nightmare, but we'll get through it. This is Captain Morgan. He shows up in all cruise-related videos here on the New York channel. He shows up as a quick flash in the background, including this video. Be the first to spot him and leave a comment below with the timestamp where you spotted him, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Good luck.
Now
here to the stage we have Brian. There you go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There you go. Take it. That is Matt's life. What a great performance.
Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New Yawk channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New Yawk channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. And speaking of shoutouts, another shout out to Richard Hales, who left another super thanks on my latest Atlantic City video, I Visit Smithville. Thanks so much, Richard. I really do appreciate your support of the New Yawk channel.
Thank you so much. All right, here we go. No shirt and I still get service. Thank you so much. I sit back with my brain when you chase something. It's a hold of me tightly, flow like a hawk, daily and nightly. Stop, yo, I don't know. Turn off the lights and I'll glow. To the extreme, I rock a mic like a vandal. Light up a stage and watch it jump like a candle. Dance. Your brain and I place this mushroom deadly. When I play it, don't know me. Anything less than the best is a felony. Love it, so leave it. You better get paid. You better get moves on the kid, don't play. If there was a problem, yo, I saw it. Check out the hook while I DJ for Ice, baby. Alright. 3. You need to choose 3. Chris, on stage. You need to choose 1. Book. Paul, alright. Thank you so much. The rest, thank you so much, gentlemen. We have now the top 3. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is the last battle. They will be performing all together here on the stage, and you need to choose your Mr. Sexy Legs, Mr. Chicken Legs, and Mr. Pale Legs. Okay? So here we go. They will be dancing one by one, all together. DJ, hit the music.
Alrighty, we're down to the final 3. Any of them your choices? Now they have to pick Mr. Pale Legs, Mr. Chicken Legs, and Mr. Sexy Legs.
Contestant number 1, contestant number 2, and contestant number 3. You need to choose your best contestant. The loudest cheer, of course, he is our Mr. Sexy Legs. The second loudest cheer, that is our Mr. Chicken Legs. And the least clap, and that is our Mr. Pale Legs, who need to go back to Bahamas after this cruise. Here we go. I'll start first with contestant number 1. And stop. There you go. Contestant number 2. It's recorded. Contestant number 3. And stop. It's also recorded. Okay. Now you already choose your Mr. Sexy Legs. However, I will be choosing first who is our Mr. Pale Legs. And that is no other than contestant number. Give me a number. 1, 2, or 3. Mr. Pale Legs. Pale. 3. 1, 2, or 3. How about on deck 13? 1, 2, or 3. Contestant number 3, our Mr. Pale Legs. Congratulations. You'll be receiving your prize over there with Bernard. Now, come over here, number 1 and number 2. One of you will be getting the crown of Mr. Sexy Legs, and the other will be receiving Mr. Chicken Legs. Who do you think is Mr. Chicken Legs? 1 or 2? 1 or 2? Who is Mr. Sexy Legs? 1 or 2? Your Mr. Sexy Legs is contestant number 1! There you go, you are Mr. Chicken Legs, contestant number 2. Come over here, Mr. Sexy Legs. Thank you so much. This is your prizes. Congratulations to you. Congratulations, of course. Thank you so much to our judges who gave us a help for choosing our Mr. Sexy Legs. Well, that's it for us for our Mr. Sexy Legs. Don't go anywhere because more music coming right over here at the poolside. And of course, we'll be having our family bingo at the Spinnaker Lounge at 4 p.m. Card sales start at 3:30 p.m. So please do not miss our family bingo once again happening. It's my oldest son. It's my only remorse. Help me to decide. Help me make time myself freedom out of flesh. Nothing ever lasts forever.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.